of R4. Okay? You can check. You can complete the set to a basis of the whole space. What is the trick usually? You do this. You add E1, E2, E3, E4 to the list, and then you try to find the first, which is not linear combination of the previous three, and you are done. In this case, it's easy because if you put E4, you get 0, 0, 0, 1, and the matrix is again reduced, and the rank is 4, so it's okay. So this is a basis. So this exercise goes longer because you have to check it's a basis to find the basis. I'm telling you this because I want to work on the nice part, the predictive part. The other is not it's only a note. But if you want to practice, check what I have said. First, that they are linearly independent. Second, that that list is a basis of the whole space. Now, I give you a linear application. I give you a linear mapping. The following mapping is in this way. F is from R4 to R4, and is given by f of u is equal to u to w. F of b is equal to E1 plus 2E2 plus 7E3 plus 3E4. And f of w is equal to minus